Most modern trucks are becoming overcomplicated nightmares. Giant screens, expensive electronics, turbo problems, and once the warranty expires, the repair bills start hitting hard. But for seniors, the best truck isn't the newest or the flashiest one. It's the truck that starts every morning, feels comfortable on long drives, and doesn't turn ownership into a full-time job. In this video, we're revealing 3 pickup trucks seniors can buy once and drive for years without constant problems. These trucks are reliable, easy to live with, comfortable to get in and out of, and built to last far longer than most people expect. And trust me, the #1 truck on this list has a reputation so strong, many owners refuse to sell theirs even after 300,000 miles. Number 3. 2015 Nissan Frontier. The simple truck seniors can actually live with most modern trucks today. Try to impress you with massive vertical screens, complicated touch-sensitive buttons, and expensive electronics that feel more like a tablet than a vehicle. But the 2015 Nissan Frontier takes a completely different approach. And that is exactly why it has become a favorite for long-term owners and seniors alike. While other manufacturers were chasing flashy trends that eventually become expensive repair bills, Nissan stuck to a formula that worked: simplicity, durability, and ease of use. For a senior looking for a dependable partner, this simplicity isn't a drawback. It is a massive advantage. The fewer sensors and computerized modules a truck has, the fewer things there are to go wrong when the odometer hits 6 figures. Under the hood, the Frontier features Nissan's legendary 4.0-liter V6 engine. This power plant is widely regarded as one of the most durable V6 ever put into a mid-sized pickup. It's an over-engineered engine that doesn't rely on high-pressure turbochargers to get the job done. In many modern trucks, smaller engines are forced to work twice as hard to produce power, leading to premature wear. But this 4.0-liter engine delivers smooth, consistent torque without breaking a sweat. It is common to find these engines running strong well past 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes. But for older drivers, the engine is only half the story. What really makes the Frontier special is how manageable it feels. Most modern full-size trucks have grown so large that they are a nightmare to park in a grocery store lot or pull into a standard garage. The Frontier sits in that sweet spot of sizing. It offers great outward visibility, making it much easier to judge distances while parking. The cabin is designed with straightforward physical knobs for the climate control and radio, meaning you can adjust the heat by feel without taking your eyes off the road to navigate a confusing touchscreen. Furthermore, let's talk about the cost of ownership. Because Nissan kept this generation of the Frontier virtually unchanged for over a decade, the market is flooded with affordable spare parts. Whether you need a new alternator or a simple belt replacement, any mechanic in the country can fix this truck easily. There are no proprietary software locks or dealer-only parts that turn a simple repair into a $1,000 headache. Now, for total honesty, the Frontier isn't perfect. If you want a plush luxury interior with 20-way power seats, this isn't it. The interior is heavy on plastic, and the fuel economy is mediocre. But for the senior driver, these are often considered good trade-offs. Why? Because plastic is easy to clean, an older interior is easier to understand, and a few extra dollars at the pump is a small price for a truck that won't leave you stranded. It earns the number 3 spot because it understands its mission. It's a tool, not a toy. It quietly does its job year after year, proving that sometimes the best truck for your golden years is the one that simply refuses to. Number 2. 2016 Ford F-150. The comfortable workhorse, built for the long haul. When most people think about full-size trucks, they imagine something massive, rough riding, and difficult to manage in everyday traffic. But the 2016 Ford F-150 completely flipped that script. It was designed to bridge the gap between heavy-duty capability and the kind of smooth, everyday drivability that makes it a perfect candidate for seniors. While other brands were struggling to balance comfort and strength, Ford found the sweet spot with this specific model year, creating a truck that is as easy to drive to the grocery store as it is to haul a trailer across the country. But the real secret to this truck's legendary status isn't just the aluminum body or the fancy trim levels. it's what's hidden under the hood. Specifically, we're talking about the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine. In an era where every manufacturer, including Ford itself, was pushing smaller turbocharged engines, the 5.0-liter V8 remained the choice for those who value long-term durability over marketing gimmicks. This is a naturally aspirated engine, meaning it breathes air normally without the high-pressure stress of a turbocharger. For a senior owner, this is a critical distinction. Turbochargers are great for power, but they add heat, complexity, and more points of failure as the miles add up. The 5.0-liter V8, however, delivers its power effortlessly. It's an engine that doesn't have to struggle to move the weight of the truck, which is exactly why you see so many of these 2016 models still running like new with 250,000 or even 300,000 miles on the original powertrain. When you aren't constantly pushing an engine to its limits, it simply lasts longer. It's the difference between a sprinter and a marathon runner. Beyond the mechanical strength, we have to talk about the physical experience of owning an F-150 as a senior. Ford put a massive amount of research into cabin ergonomics. The seats in the 2016 model are wider and more supportive than many of its competitors, which is a lifesaver on long road trips where back pain can become an issue. The visibility is also world-class. Ford's signature dropped window line on the front doors allows you to see the ground and obstacles near the truck much better than in a Chevy or a Ram. For older drivers who might struggle with neck mobility or blind spots, this extra visibility provides a massive boost in confidence. Then there is the ease of maintenance. Because the F-150 has been the vehicle in America for decades, the infrastructure to support it is everywhere. You will never have to worry about a mechanic not knowing how to fix your truck or a part being back-ordered for weeks. Whether you are in a small rural town or a major city, help is always around the corner. This ownership convenience is something many people overlook until they are stranded with a rare European or high-tech truck that no one knows how to service. Of course, we have to address the pushback. Some critics will point to the EcoBoost engines of this era having occasional carbon buildup or timing chain issues. And that's exactly why we recommend the 5.0-liter V8, specifically for seniors. It bypasses those high-tech headaches entirely. Inside, the 2016 model also strikes a perfect balance. It's modern enough to have a backup camera and clear gauges, but it still relies on big, easy-to-grab knobs for the most important functions. You don't need a teenager to help you figure out how to turn on the air conditioning. It's a truck that respects its driver, offering a refined, quiet, and incredibly reliable experience that proves you can have full-size power without the full-size stress. Number 1. 2015 Toyota Tundra, the truck many owners keep for decades. If there is a holy grail of automotive reliability, the 2015 Toyota Tundra is arguably the closest thing to it. While other manufacturers were focused on adding 10-speed transmissions, cylinder deactivation, and complex air suspensions that inevitably break, Toyota stayed stubborn on one thing: over-engineering every single bolt until the truck became virtually indestructible. This isn't just a vehicle you buy to get through the next few years. This is a truck you buy once and keep until you decide you're done driving. For seniors, that buy it once philosophy provides a level of peace of mind that no flashy new luxury truck can match. The heart of this legendary durability is the 5.7-liter iForce V8 engine. Ask any seasoned mechanic, and they'll tell you this engine is a masterpiece of mechanical simplicity and strength. It was designed with massive internal cooling and heavy-duty components that were originally intended for much larger commercial vehicles. Because the engine is so powerful, it never has to work hard. Whether you're merging onto a fast-moving highway or climbing a steep hill, the Tundra does it with a low RPM grunt that doesn't stress the engine's internals. This lack of mechanical stress is exactly why we see so many Tundras crossing 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. There is even a famous story of a Tundra owner in Louisiana who clocked 1 million miles on his truck, and when Toyota engineers tore the engine down to inspect it, they found it was still within factory specifications. But for a senior driver, the Tundra's value goes beyond just a million-mile engine. It's about the daily experience. The 2015 Tundra features one of the most spacious and ergonomic cabins in the truck world. The seats are designed like wide captain's chairs, providing excellent support for your hips and lower back on long drives. The dashboard is a masterclass in functional design. Every knob is oversized and has a distinct click, making it easy to operate even if you're wearing gloves or have limited dexterity. You won't find yourself squinting at tiny digital icons or digging through 4 sub-menus just to adjust the fan speed. It's a truck that feels familiar and intuitive from the moment you sit behind the wheel. Another major advantage for long-term ownership is the Tundra's legendary resale value. Because everyone knows how hard these trucks are to kill, they hold their value better than almost any other vehicle on the planet. If you ever do decide to sell it, you'll find a line of buyers ready to pay a premium. But most owners don't sell. They realize that in a world of disposable electronics and plastic parts, the Tundra is a throwback to a time when things were built to last. Now for the honest pushback. The Tundra has one major weakness: fuel economy. This big V8 is thirsty, and you will spend more at the gas pump compared to a modern hybrid or a turbocharged V6. Additionally, the ride quality is truck-like. It's firm and bouncy compared to the car-like ride of a new Ram 1500. However, for most Tundra owners, these aren't deal breakers. They view the extra gas money as insurance against the massive repair bills they would face with other brands. In the end, the 2015 Toyota Tundra takes the #1 spot because it provides something modern trucks can't: certainty. It's the truck that starts every morning, ignores the passage of time, and never turns your retirement into a headache. If you want the king of dependability, this is it. If you made it this far, you already know. Not all pickup trucks are built the same. Some are designed to look tough for a few years, and others are engineered to keep running long after most vehicles would have given up. And the trucks on today's list? These are the ones owners keep for decades. So now I want to hear from you. Which truck would you trust to hit 300,000 miles? Or is there another legendary pickup that deserved a spot on this list? If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more reliable vehicle rankings, hidden gems, and smart car buying content. And don't click away yet, because the next video on your screen reveals pickup trucks that look reliable, but secretly become financial nightmares after 100,000 miles. Trust me, you'll want to see that before buying your next truck.